In this video, I will show you how to access your project's source code in Base44 and how to navigate the export process when an upgrade is required. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening my current project. To see the logic behind it, I move to the top of the editor and click on the Dashboard tab. From the sidebar menu, I scroll down and select the code icon, which brings up the entire development environment and file structure. Base44 has generated a sophisticated backend for this project, including a Stripe checkout function and a purchase verification system that automatically records license hashes. It also includes a dedicated entity to track all completed transactions, providing a fully functional commerce foundation right out of the box. I can even see the test card details provided in the notes to help me verify the payment flow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.